War in Ukraine. Meghan Markle and Harry take a stand as war broke out in Ukraine on Thursday, February 25. Prince Harry and his wife, Meghan Markle, did not wait to speak on the subject. They posted a message on their foundation's website. Russian President Vladimir Putin decided to invade Ukraine this Thursday, February 24, early in the morning. An act of war that makes people react all over the world. Prince Harry and his wife, Meghan Markle, are among the personalities who have decided to openly display their position on this conflict. In a message published this Thursday, February 24, on the website of their Archewell Foundation, the parents of Archie and Lilibet condemned the Russian invasion, as reported by Hello. This Friday, February 25. Prince Harry and Meghan, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, and all of us at Archewell stand with the people of Ukraine against this violation of international and humanitarian law, it is written. And to add, we encourage the global community and its leaders to do the same. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex, who are about to receive a reward for their commitment to the fight against racism, are the first members of the British royal family to speak out on this conflict. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle also spoke about the return of the Taliban to Afghanistan. This is not the first time that the couple has spoken out to denounce a war. Last August, Prince Harry reacted to the return of the Taliban to Kabul, Afghanistan, in a statement he signed with his wife Meghan Markle. "We are speechless," they wrote. They also mentioned the earthquake that occurred at the same time in Haiti, which killed more than 2,000 people. "The world is particularly fragile today," had regretted the couple. The Sussexes had called for the support of associations and the mobilization of leaders around the world to change things and prove our humanity. Prince Harry's offer to pay security bill branded irrelevant in Home Office legal fight. The Duke of Sussex is challenging the 2020 decision of the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures and has offered to fund his own protection when he visits the UK. Prince Harry has been told his offer to foot the bill for his own security in his ongoing legal challenge against the Home Office is irrelevant. The 37-year-old has applied for a judicial review of a decision not to allow him to personally pay for police protection for himself and his family when they are in the UK. The Duke of Sussex received insufficient information over a decision to change his taxpayer-funded police protection when he is in the UK, the High Court has heard. Harry was told he would no longer be given the same degree of personal protective security when visiting from the US, despite offering to pay for it himself. He is taking on the Home Office because he wants to bring his children and wife to visit from across the Atlantic. But Harry does not feel safe when visiting under the current security arrangements, the court was previously told. He is challenging the February 2020 decision of the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, RAVEC, which has delegated powers from the Home Secretary. Harry is arguing that his private protection team in the US does not have adequate jurisdiction abroad or access to UK intelligence information which is needed to keep his family safe. On Friday, the first hearing in the case continued at the Royal Courts of Justice in London, at which Harry was not present. The preliminary proceedings, which were largely held in private, related to an application by the Duke and the Home Office for some parts of court documents in the case to be kept private. During an initial public part of Friday's hearing, the judge, Mr. Justice Swift, summarized the four grounds forming the basis of the Duke's legal challenge. He said these included an alleged over-rigid application of the policy and a failure to take into account relevant considerations. The grounds also claim that conclusions reached were unreasonable and that insufficient information was provided in relation to the RAVEC policy and those involved in the RAVEC decision, the judge said. During the hearing, Shahid Fateh